This thing, you're doing it for yourself. You're not doing it for anybody else. Training helps you, but you have to compete against other people who are of a higher level. This time when you run and you just want to stop, you just want to give up, like, to hell with this, I just want to go home.
Yeah, and you want to be the best you can be. You want always people to remember you. You want people to know who you are.
Even if it was injured and was on the bench, you would always just shout, just inspiring things to the players. No matter how far you think you're ahead of me, I'm going to catch you. That's my mentality that I go there with. Hey, what's up? I am Usain Bolt.
He's a Jamaican sprinter, regarded as the fastest person who has ever lived. He's the first man at the modern Olympic Games to win 6 gold medals in sprinting. His personal best of 9.58 seconds in the 100 meters is the fastest ever run. In 2018, Bolt was ranked at number 45 and Forbes magazine list of the 100 richest athletes in the world. He earned $31 million in 2017 when he was officially retired. At the time of recording this video, Usain Bolt has a net worth of $90 million US. Now, if you know anything about Usain Bolt, you know that he loves to have fun and he's a party person. And without a doubt, once an individual starts making more money, if they are not financially literate, they are going to spend most of it, if not all, and Bolt is no exception. In a recent interview with CNBC, Bolt admitted that he wasn't always good with his money. When he was just coming up, he spent a little bit more than he wanted to. The 8-time Olympic gold medalist says that after his first Olympic in 2004, that was when he was just 18. He got into spending because that's when he started to make money. Luckily, Bolt said his teammates sat him down and explained finances to him, and he has to give them the credit because they really helped him to understand how to save money. Biggest lesson Bolt said he learned is that to save more than half of his earnings, then you can spend the rest on bills. He went on to say he often tell people that if they make $10, save 6 out of it and then figure out what you need to do with the rest. Essentially saying that save 60% of your income. So initially, a lot of people might react to this and say 60% is a lot and they don't make a lot of money. But this is what you need to ask yourself. What can you do as the individual now to start saving 60% of your income? Remember, there is no shortage of money and you can always do something to earn more money. Now, this simple advice goes to show that no matter how much you earn, you have to save a portion of your income, and not just save that income, you have to invest it. Though now a retired athlete, some of Bolt's sponsorship haven't slowed down. He has a lifetime partnership with Puma and was recently signed as a spokesperson for CarMax. He is a real estate investor and co-founder of the electric scooter company, Bolt Mobility. You might be familiar with the name Traxxon Records. Bolt is not the owner, but he is an investor in Traxxon Records. Even though his net worth is $90 million, still, Bolt would advise his younger self to save as much as possible. Now, there are a lot of athletes who get injured, and Bolt said he witnessed this firsthand. And for any athlete, this would definitely lower their earning capabilities. No matter how much you earn, you have to save and invest a portion of your earnings. The larger, the better, but the basic rule of thumb is pay yourself 10% first, and then do whatever you want with the rest. Hey, wait just a second. Can you do me a quick favor and hit the like button as well as the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to my channel? Thank you for watching.